Welcome. If you want more control over where your downloads are saved in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Ask Where to Save Download Files feature in Chrome, so you can pick the exact location for every file you download. This is especially helpful if you like to keep your files organized or use different folders for different projects. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Once you're in, look for the three dots in the top right corner. This is the Chrome menu. Tap on those three dots to open up a list of options. Next, from the menu, find and tap on Download. This will take you to Chrome's Download Manager, where you can see all your previous downloads. Now, look for the Settings icon, usually shaped like a gear, at the top of the Downloads page. Tap on this icon to access the download settings. Here's the important part. You'll see an option labeled Ask Where to Save Files. There's a toggle switch next to it. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once this option is enabled, every time you download a file in Chrome, you'll be prompted to choose the save location. Instead of files automatically going to your default downloads folder, you can pick the folder that makes the most sense for you. That's it. You've now set up Chrome to always ask where to save your download files. This small change can make a big difference in how you organize and find your files later. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back off. Your downloads will then go straight to the default folder without any prompts. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.